Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to update Intel UHD graphics driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to update your Intel UHD graphics driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, I will show you simple method how to do this. So before starting the update process, you have to check your processor generation. For that, you just need to open your device manager, right click on start menu, then click on device manager. Guys, this option will work for both your Windows 10 and Windows 11. After opening the device manager, here you will find processors. Double click on that, and here you will find your processor generation, 10 generation, 11 generation, whatever it may be, it will be displayed here. After that, here you will find your display adapters. Double click on that, just select your driver, right click on that, then click on property, click on drivers. Here you just need to see your driver date. You can see 4/11/2020. After seeing this date, then close this window and close this window and open your Chrome browser. I will provide this Intel website graphics driver link in my video description. In my video description link, you can just copy paste this link from there. After that, select your operating system. If you are using Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, whatever it may be. Suppose if you are using Windows 11, click on Windows 11. Here you will find according to your generation. Suppose if you are using 11th, 12th, 13th generation, you can download this driver. If you are using 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th generation, you can download it from here. Suppose if you are using Windows 10 or 8, you can select from here. You can see all the bit versions and all the generations are available here. After downloading, you have to just install and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way, you can update Intel UHD graphics driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.